Of our Jamaican culture. Our next guest, folks, relocated to Mexico and started her own cuisine empire. Woo! Joining us all the way from Mexico City is Jamaican chef Teresa Barrett. Good morning. Buenos dias.
Buenos dias, good morning, Neville Bell.
¿Cómo está usted?
Bien, ¿y tú?
Bien, gracias. All I said, folks, is how are you? She says well, and she asked me how am I, and I said well. Great to see you. Let's start with you getting to Mexico. Tell me about that journey. Why are you here?
7 years ago, I came here as a teacher with a language school, and I worked with them for 3 years, also recruiting for them as well. So that's how I came here 7 years ago.
Language school, what? To teach English?
Teaching English, yes.
Yeah.
Teaching English. I also taught in the Montessori school as well, teaching
Okay.
English as well.
All right,
I
so-
did English.
So segue to what you're doing now. Where you start that? You were a very good chef in Jamaica. Is it something that you just learned when you went to Mexico? How did that work?
Cooking always at home, and then I came here to Mexico and I had ackee and saltfish. It started with me wanting to share it with my coworkers, and everyone was excited about it. And then when I moved to the city, people were like, "Where are you from?" They don't de eres. And I was like, "I'm from Jamaica. I've never had Jamaican food," they would say. And I said to them, "Show me your money, come to my house," and it started from there.
Show me your money. So when you started to cook Jamaican food, was it just Jamaican food, or did you kind of mix it with what they had over there? How did you do it?
So initially when I started, every time I go to Jamaica, I would take back things here and I would just cook purely Jamaican food. And then when I moved to the city, I found it challenging to find the ingredients. So I use a bit of substitute from time to time as a nod to the culture because I can't find the ingredients, all the ingredients here.
Yeah. What would be the favorite Jamaican food for most people in Mexico that you deal with?
Most people love jerk chicken, followed by oxtail and curry goat.
So you cook like ackee and saltfish for them and stuff too?
Ackee and saltfish, whenever I bring it back. Ackee, because in Mexico we have saltfish, it's called bacala.
Mm-hmm.
So that's here already. But the ackee, whenever I go to Jamaica, I bring it here.
Yeah. I was preparing for this, the top 5 Mexican foods. Is this from you, or is it that everybody in Mexico love this? The first one is chilaquiles. What is that?
Chilaquiles is a typical breakfast. It's something that they have for breakfast. It's chips with, you can have eggs, you can have chicken, and it varies from region to region. So in the north, they will have it with tocino or beef.
Yeah. Is there anything Jamaican that it tastes like?
No, there's nothing Jamaican. It's just, I want to say it's like putting egg on top of chips with salsa. One is spicier than the other.
Okay. Pozole.
Pozole. Now,
Pozole.
what this is similar to in Jamaica would be hominy corn, but the texture is different depending on how it's prepared.
Okay.
And on a Saturday morning in San Luis Potosi, this is tradition for the entire family to gather together and have pozole all day.
Okay. Tacos al pastor.
Ooh, tacos al pastor. If you love pork, this is a winner in my book.
What is tell me about it. How is
So the history is that the Lebanese and the Syrians, they had brought it over, and traditionally when they prepare it, they would cook it on coal. It's like a trunque, and the Mexicans put their twist on it, serving it similar form but in the tortillas, but usually it's had in a bread.
Okay.
And the Lebanese had brought it over.
Tostadas.
Tostadas. So let me see if I have any here for you. I have tostada. So it's basically stale tortilla that you either put on your comal or in your pot, let it get hot, or you can fry it till it's crispy.
What do you mean it's stale? And if it's stale, it's not good?
Oh no, it's tasty when it's fried. Come on, Neville, you don't know what you're missing yet. Come on over.
I shall. and the final one is enchiladas.
Enchilada potosino is similar to a tostada, so it's small, it's yellow, and inside you can have fish, cheese with salsa on top. There are different ways of preparing it. It can be savory, it can be spicy. This too, it's very small but very tasty.
Okay. What's your favorite Mexican dish?
My favorite Mexican dish would be, wow, that's a tough one. Tough one. Ah, I like fish, so it would be morado.
All
So
right.
it's where they split it open like a butterfly. Half of it is spicy, half of it is savory.
Okay. What you gonna do for us this morning?
So this morning I will be preparing for you. It's a curry butter bean with nopal. So this is what it looks like. In Jamaica, it's called tuna, and people use it to wash their hair. Here, you eat it in salad. It can be eaten raw or cooked. So I'm going to prepare a curry version of this. So
What is it? What is it called? What is it called?
Nopal.
Nopal.
Mm-hmm.
And it tastes like what in Jamaica?
So it has a slimy texture similar to okra.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Okay. All right. So
And
it's a breakfast. It's breakfast or what?
it's if you have it in a salad, you can have it for breakfast. You can have it in a tortilla or on a tostada. You can have it for breakfast, lunch, or dinner.
Yeah.
It's not very heavy,
Yeah.
but if you prepare it with meat, it's heavy.
Yeah. We don't have a lot of time, so you have to ride and whistle.
Okay, so we're going in with our onion, garlic, pepper. We're going in with our curry, turmeric, and paprika. We're going to mix this around, saute everything till it's combined.
How long is the process?
The process usually takes 30 minutes, but I'm gonna do this quick. We're going in with the beans. Oh, and the nopal.
Beans. The beans they look big.
It's butter bean.
Oh, it's butter beans.
bean. Let me butter bean.
Yeah.
You can add coconut milk, but
Yeah.
I'm going in with water and let this simmer down for 15 minutes together.
All right. So while it's simmering down, this is what you sell breakfast, lunch, dinner. You have a restaurant. You have a what do you do?
Okay, so what I do, it's a supper club. So initially people would come to the house, pay before I give them the address. Everything is done by social media or email. They would come. This was before COVID, and it's only one day a week. It's Friday or Saturday each month. Now with COVID, it's only takeaway. So it's not a restaurant per se, but more of a supper club.
Yeah. But
The
I suspect you would sell Mexican food also. It's not just Jamaican food, right?
No, I don't do Mexican food. I do mostly Jamaican food, and from time to time I'll give a bit of fusion. For example, this is my nod to the butter bean, curry butter bean, and with the nopal.
Okay. All right. We are almost out of time. I give you an opportunity to say hi to anyone you want to in Jamaica. That's what it looks like. That's the finished.
Yes.
That's the finished product right there. That's beautiful.
Yes.
Yeah, that looks good. Put it back. Put it back to the camera. You took it away a little bit quickly. Yeah. Right there. Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
All right. So who you want to say hi to?
Hi to my mom and everybody in Jamaica.
Thank you so much for speaking with us. Stay safe. Say hi to your husband, to your family. I pray that you will be wonderfully blessed in 2021. God bless you.
Thank you.
Look
Thank
after
you for
yourself.
having me.
Yeah, man. Great to
Have
have
a good
you.
day. Bye.
Yeah, man. Take care. A Jamaican chef in Mexico City, Teresa Barrett. All right. Get your money right for 2021. Remember the dancing me and Empress put on this morning? Denise Williams joins us after the break, and she will tell us how. Well, she'll tell Empress how. Soon come back.